Ready to get your body moving? Let's dive into a quick full body warm-up routine. First up, arm circles. 20 seconds. 10 seconds forward, then 10 seconds backward. This loosens your shoulders and gets the blood flowing. Next, high knees for 15 seconds. This will pump up your heart rate and warm up those hip flexors and core. Now, leg swings for 30 seconds, 15 seconds per leg. This warms up your hips, glutes, and hamstrings. Time for torso twists. 30 seconds of gentle rotation to activate your spine and core. Jumping jacks are next. 30 seconds of full body movement to boost circulation and mobility. Let's do body weight squats for 30 seconds. This activates your glutes, quads, and hamstrings while improving joint mobility. Inchworm walkouts to plank for 30 seconds. This stretches your hamstrings and activates your core and upper body. Finish with hip circles for 20 seconds. 10 seconds each direction to loosen those tight hips and lower back. Remember to perform each move slowly and with control. Breathe naturally, and if you're a beginner, feel free to reduce the time per move. You got this.